Hello, Namaskar and Adab to all my friends from your friend astrologer and guide Irfan, once more with you from your very own channel Astro Assurance. So far we have done the signs Aries until Aquarius for the probable results that one will get for June 2020. Today we will be talking about the last sign of the zodiac, Pisces, and how the results can manifest for them, what opportunities they may face, and how events may turn out for them in the month of June 2020. So here we go for Pisces associates and Pisces friends. Now for Pisces natives, Jupiter and Saturn, though they are transiting for everyone through the same sign of Capricorn, but for Pisces people, Saturn and Jupiter are transiting through the 11th house, and very auspicious 11th house, the house of aspirations, and Saturn passing through its own sign of Capricorn along with Jupiter. So this is a very strong sign of fulfillment of aspirations. If somebody has worked very hard for it, Saturn and Jupiter, the planets of justice, will bring forth justice to you. So more than any other sign, the aspirations fulfillment can be strongest for Pisces associates, Pisces natives, because both Saturn and Jupiter passing through the 11th house, with Jupiter, which is the 10th lord of career, as well as the Lagna lord. So when the 10th lord and the Lagna lord both passing through the 11th house of aspirations, even though through its debilitation sign, one thing Jupiter does is that because it is also the Lagna lord, it very rarely gives very bad results in any sign, even if it's debilitated, maximum or even if it's combusted. So maximum Jupiter may reduce the benefits or beneficity that it brings. However, 11th house being the house of aspirations fulfillment, and because you may have worked very hard, and Saturn is a very karmic planet. Saturn has taken about 28 plus 4-5 months to come back into Capricorn, which means that if you have really worked hard in the last few years, then both Saturn and Jupiter, the justice bringing planets, will do justice to your effort. If in the month of June, especially after the 15th of June, you really don't see any way forward or any pointers towards any direction, or where the results may be coming from, or which direction you may move, or your intuition not giving you anything, nothing happening to you, which means then in the next few months, when Jupiter makes its transit in November into its own sign back into first it will be retrograding back into Sagittarius, and then it will again go direct and getting into Capricorn again in November. So that's when Jupiter will then remain in Capricorn for a year, and that's when you will truly get the signs of movement forward if you don't get it in June. So keep this in mind. Jupiter is in Capricorn in right now, and then it's started its retrograde motion. It will turn direct again. Once it reaches Sagittarius, it will turn direct again, and then by November it's going to come back into Capricorn, and there it's going to be stationed for roughly a year. So either in June, post June 15th, you will get strong manifestation of your aspirations, or post September, definitely your aspirations to a large extent in the direction you want will get fulfilled, if you have really worked hard in the direction that you need to move. So for example, if you have tried a business and you worked very hard, done everything right, gone by the books, done nothing unethical, hoodwinked no one, followed the books, followed the law, completed all your documentation, completed all processes, put your investments properly and worked hard, then there is very less reason that you may not get results in your business, either in post June, 15th of June to 1st of July, or when Jupiter transits again into Capricorn in November. So either of these opportunities will surely come by. And why I am able to say this with such strength is because of Saturn also moving through Capricorn, and has moved into Capricorn since January. It has started its retrograde motion. When a planet is retrograde, it picks up a lot of energy, a lot of strength, and it is able to give results more strongly. But because it is retrograde, sometimes you may need to wait out the period a few more months before the planet gives its results. This is also because the planet is testing your patience and whether you are up to it and whether you are grateful or not. Both with Saturn and Jupiter, patience pays off because these are slow moving planets. These are not very strong moving planets, and both of them transiting through Capricorn means patience will pay off if you have worked hard and you have gone by the book and you have done no wrong. With Mercury, which is a very important planet ruling two Kendra houses for you, the 4th house and the 7th house, and Mercury now transiting in June through its own house and through its own sign in Gemini through the 4th house means matters of relationships are very, very strongly indicated if you have been up to it or you are up to it, or if you have an open mind about relationships. It could also be that matters of home could be under focus, and that too strongly under focus. So be ready to take up issues regarding home decors or travel or change, or even related to some domestic things that you need to take care of. You may end up spending more time in spite of lockdown. You have anyways spent a lot of time with family, but the last part of June you may try to resolve some things which you have been planning together. So during the lockdown you may have planned some things about the house, but you may not have been able to do it. Post the 15th of June, the last 2 or 3 weeks of June, you will be able to put those plans in practice. It could be about either some home decor, changing the house, repairing the house, or even going on a visit to your family. If you have not been living with your family during the lockdown, if you have been away, then you will definitely be visiting your family, or family will come and visit you. So these things are very, very strongly indicated. Some of you may purchase a new vehicle, some of you may invest in property. That is also strongly indicated, and relationship definitely is strong for those who are in the marriageable age. With Venus transiting through your 3rd house and Venus also ruling your 8th house, very, very strong indications that there may be an occasion, family occasion related to marriage or even an engagement, or something related to younger people, maybe female younger people in the family. Something may come about, an engagement may come about, a party around an education achievement may come about, something of that sort may happen, and there may be a sudden plan also to go on a short journey, either for a family outing or to celebrate an event or even for an engagement. That may also happen. So be prepared for it, and and this is also strongly indicated because of Mars also transiting through the 12th house of bed pleasures and also foreign land. So people who have been who have been working in MNCs or working in MNCs with foreign clients, foreign associates, or if you are thinking of applying for an MNC job rather than working a domestic job, then these changes may also fructify strongly, because Mars rules your 2nd house of income and on also savings, and Mars also rules your 9th house of faith, luck, and gains. So this Mars transit through your 12th house is a very, very strong sign of something maturing, something clicking for you if you have been working with either MNC, that is foreign companies, or working in foreign companies or in foreign lands. Such results may manifest. People who are working in armed forces, for them also this is very, very strongly indicated. Some people may leave for foreign university studies, higher education also, because of the 9th lord getting connected to the 12th, and that higher learning, that degree or that qualification that you achieve may in the future bring you very good gains and good earnings as well. So friends, this is my analysis for Pisces Ascendant natives for the month of June 2020. Please like this video, please share this video, and please press the bell icon so that you get to know when my new video is coming. If you are looking for a personal analysis from me, please reach out to me at the links given below in the description box. Until we meet some other time, this is your friend, astrologer and guide Irfan signing off. Ciao.